Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin hairper plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, remove the lower dashboard casing. Open the passenger door for easy access. Unclip the lower dashboard casing by prying with a plastic pry bar. Looking at these images, you can see the location of the holding clips. Remove the cover of the cabin filter flange by separating the tab on the holding stud.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Then remove the filter. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the cover back on. Put the casing back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.